YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, the Fade Genius, Memphis Barber. In this video, I be doing a hot taper with the chalk line you be seeing everybody getting. It's still an enhancement, just like using hair fibers. Of course, it brings more definition to the line, to the blend, to the overall cut. I hope y'all like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Y'all be safe and enjoy. Dope Cuts only. YouTube, as you can see, my canvas have straighter hair, so I'll be starting off with a bigger guard, number 6, closed against the grain, all the way through the head. We're gonna leave the top dark as possible when doing this hot taper. So I'm just gonna fast forward till we get to the taper.
Bello on the beat.
Okay, this started the taper. So I'm starting out my first initial line with the trimmers. And with hot tapers, I normally start with the top of the C cup. Or if you can't see that C cup, use the top of the earlobe. Then I'm coming behind it with the shavers to clean the area. Okay, I'm gonna start on my second line, no guard, all the way open, or like a ½ inch up. Then I'm gonna gradually close the level in order to take out that line. And you wanna make sure your clippers is 0 gap for it be easy to take out the line. And another tip, you can like stretch the skin and help take out the line even faster. Okay, my next step, I've been getting the one guard all the way closed, going like a ½ inch up from that. And you notice, you see I'm not putting the guidelines in harsh. Then I take the guard off, all the way open, and just flick out the bottom line. Okay, my next step, I got the 1½ guard all the way closed. I've been going like an inch up from what I just did. I've been using like a flick out motion. And with like straighter hair, you wanna get in that habit of flicking out a whole lot, cause that hair is so straight, it's so easy to cut. It's not stubborn like coarse hair. Now I got my number 2 guard. I got it all the way open. And just working on blending that top line out. Okay, now put the 1½ guard back on, but I'm starting off all the way open. I'll be starting fading down till the taper is complete. See, now I got it open, I'm just gradually closing that level. Okay, now I got the one guard all the way open. And I don't know if you can notice, but I'm only using the tip of the blade. I'm not using the whole blade. I'm just attacking the dark spots. Now I got the half guard on, using the same process, the corners of the blade, and tagging the dark spots. And by the time you get to the half guard, the blend should be almost complete.
Bello on the beat. Yeah, now I got no guard, all the way open, still using the corner of the blade. Well, this part I'm just really detailing the blade to my liking. Yeah, now I'm just gonna apply the same steps to the opposite side. So I'm just gonna play the music until we get to the lineup.
I'm only half a man, you know I'm only half a man, baby, since you've been gone, since you I'm only half a man, you know I'm only half a man, baby, since you've been gone.
And now I'll be starting the lineup with my Slimline Pro LIs with the neck taper. And when I start my lineup, I always start with the vertical bars, then in the middle and connect the two. And right here, I'm just making sure I don't push them back.
I'm only half a man, you know I'm only half a man, baby, since you've been gone. Half a man, I'm only half a man.
Yeah, now I'm finna start the chalk line. I'm gonna using a white Barber pencil, and I'll be sketching the hairline, like the natural hairline. I will not be making the line, I'm just sketching the natural hairline. This will like enhance the cut. I'll start doing the beard. And I'll also be doing the back as well. Then I come behind it with the trimmers and trying to blend out their lines so it won't look so hard. I'm trying to make it look natural as possible, but still have that glow effect.
I'm only half a man, you know I'm only half a man, baby.
And here's the cut. I hope y'all liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel And follow me on Instagram at the Fade Genius. Y'all stay blessed. Dope cuts only. I'm out.